Hey everyone, Amy here. Just a quick update on the GroovePages block background. I couldn't cover it in episode 55 GroovePages tutorial for beginners because these extra features weren't available back then. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Do subscribe, hit that bell notification for more videos like this. All right, let's get into it. Okay, let's head to a block, click on it, and you know you're in the block level by heading to the breadcrumb and clicking on block. Over in the formatting toolbar, you want to click on background. This here explains the order of how things will be displayed. So you will have your background color and overlay on the very top level. Patterns is in the second layer, then background video and background image is at the very bottom. Let's start with the blank background here to see this in action. So it makes sense to start with the bottom layer, which is the background image. We'll click on block, scroll down, click on image, select choose image. I'll click on free stock photos. We'll just search for a city image and I'll select that one. It's uploaded to the server, so we'll click on select. And it's appeared here. But if you notice that the image isn't appearing in the background, then you would scroll back here. And if you already have a color in place, you would increase the opacity so that it appears. We'll close out of that. The next level up is the background video. So we'll click on the videos tab. It is recommended that you set a background image to be displayed while the video is loading on a user's browser. Toggle this over, and in this drop down, you can select a Vimeo, Wistia, YouTube, or Groove video. If you're using Vimeo, Wistia, or YouTube, let's click on YouTube. You need to enter in the video ID here. I'll just grab one of my YouTube videos. So let's head to the browser, copy that, head back here, delete that. This here after the equal sign is your video ID. You would delete everything and just keep the video ID and click on update. You would obviously choose a better video than this example. Personally, I find videos distracting. So what I'm going to do is just toggle this off and we'll head to the next layer up, which is patterns. You can jazz up your background by selecting a pattern here. And there are a few patterns that you can play around with. I personally like the isometric pattern. So we'll select that. We'll change the primary color. Click on that. Click on this circle. Enter in your hex code, close out of this. Primary color, I'll just select a very light gray. And for the opacity, let's reduce that down to 28. I'll leave spacing as is. Head back to image and you can tick on parallax, and that's going to create a scrolling effect when someone scrolls your web page. Alright guys, if you enjoyed these videos, you can help support the channel by buying me a sushi. The link to that is in my pinned comment below. And until next time, see ya!